be using the book Tad at the Top from the Piney Pals book series. If you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant T. I'm going to be saying 3 words. I want you to listen very carefully with your ear and tell me what sound you hear alike in each one of these words. Now remember, I will say the word, you will echo the word. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Tad, tap, top. What sound do you hear like in each one of these words? That's right. You hear the t sound. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the t sound. Get your mirror and hold it up to your mouth, and I want you to go t. What was happening? You're right. Your tongue was right behind your teeth at the top of your mouth. And then when it tapped down, you had a quick little burst of air that came out. Let's try that this time, and let's put our hand on our throat and see if we feel a vibration. T. Did you feel a vibration? Neither did I. That means that t is an unvoiced sound. Remember, when we hear the t sound, our tongue is behind our top teeth. It taps down, and when that happens, there's a quick little puff of air that comes out. Go ahead, put your mirrors away. Now I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to use your eyes, and I want you to look very carefully at each one of these words, because you're going to need to tell me what letter you see alike in all 3 of the words. T, A, D, T, A, P, and finally T, O, P. What letter do you see alike in each one of these words? Right again. You see the letter T. Today, we will be looking closely and learning about consonant T. Let's practice reading each of these words. Tad, tap, top. Today, when you read Tad at the top, you will see consonant T, and you will read that letter as T. Remember, when we make that sound, our tongue is behind our top teeth. It taps down, and we have a quick puff of air. And we know that T is an unvoiced sound. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.